These things are pretty neat. This is the head of a compressor, and so that's the inside. And you got this plate. This is the little valve thing that opens and closes, and that's the back side. So when that goes on there, and then this is where the pistons come up. And the little nubs on the piston push in here. It pushes these little valves open. That's the inside. That's what the little nubs are for. That's where the little valve thing goes in, and that's what discharges through these little things right here. It's pretty neat.